right, so when you open up the grid drawing tool, you're going to click Start. You're going to go to Choose Your File, and then you're going to find your image. Mine, I titled Small Object Composition so I could find it easily. Here it is. I'm going to open it. Here you'll see that it's loading and working. Otherwise, you'll see an error message up here if there's something wrong. It will bring up your photo. If you need to rotate it, you can using the rotate left or right. If you don't need to rotate, then you're going to go ahead and click Next. If you need to crop it, here's your opportunity to crop your photo. I already cropped mine on my phone, so I don't need to crop it. If you need to adjust anything, you can. I might play with the brightness a little bit. Maybe the contrast. That's too much. I think maybe the brightness is too much. I think it was actually fine where it was. And then I'm going to go to Next. That's where it's going to give you the option for gridding. It automatically comes with 5 boxes wide, but your paper, if you're using regular copy paper, that's 8.5 by 11. So I think we should probably go with a drawing of 7 by 10 inches. So your 10 inches is going to be on your longer side. So if your paper is going horizontal like mine, then you're going to want that to be 10 boxes wide if we're going 7 by 10. So I'm going to click 10 boxes wide. I'm going to leave this on red, and I'm going to click Apply Grid. Okay, so now I have 10 wide, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which works out perfectly. 7 by 10 boxes. You may need to play with the cropping a little bit just to get yours correct, or you may need to just, once you've gridded it, decide which boxes you want to cut off. So I have mine done. I'm going to click Download. It's going to download it for me as a JPEG. When I open that up, this is what I've got. And now I have a photo that's ready for me to go ahead and draw my 7 by 10 grid and begin my photo.